Hello everyone, today we will talk about the problem of keeps lagging on the application of Brave very good settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you search about the application and then you can end up and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.